Welcome back to the channel, where we explore the world of personal finance and help you make smart decisions with your money. Today, we're diving into 5 fantastic budget-friendly destinations that will satisfy your wanderlust without breaking the bank. Traveling on a budget can be just as rewarding as splurging on luxury vacations, and we're here to prove it. So, let's discover these amazing places together, and maybe you'll find your next dream destination. But before we get started, be sure to hit that subscribe button and give this video a thumbs up to show your support. Alright, let's dive in. First up, let's head to the captivating country of Georgia. Nestled between Europe and Asia, Georgia offers a unique blend of cultures, landscapes, and delicious cuisine. The capital, Tbilisi, is a charming city with stunning architecture, a vibrant art scene, and wallet-friendly prices. Ever dreamed of visiting a European-style city without the high costs? Georgia is the place for you. You can enjoy a warm welcome from the friendly locals, explore ancient fortresses and monasteries, and savor delectable traditional dishes like hinkali and khachapuri. Next on our list is the mesmerizing Vietnam. With its diverse landscapes, rich history, and mouth-watering food, Vietnam has something for every traveler. From the bustling cities of Hanoi and Ho Chi Minh City to the serene rice terraces of Sapa, you'll never run out of incredible experiences. And the best part? It's all incredibly affordable. You can cruise through the stunning limestone karsts of Halong Bay, wander the ancient town of Ho Chi Minh, and slurp up a delicious bowl of pho without putting a dent in your wallet. We're halfway through our list of budget-friendly destinations, and if you're enjoying this video, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel for more amazing personal finance content. Now, let's continue with our next destination. Remember, traveling doesn't have to be expensive to be fulfilling, and sometimes the most memorable experiences come from the most unexpected places. Portugal, often overshadowed by its neighbor Spain, is a hidden gem in Western Europe. This beautiful country boasts stunning beaches, picturesque cities, and delicious food, all at a fraction of the cost of other European destinations. Ever dreamt of sipping wine in a quaint European cafe without breaking the bank? Portugal is waiting for you. Discover the colorful streets of Lisbon, walk along the breathtaking cliffs of the Algarve, and indulge in the famous Portuguese egg tarts, pastéis de nata. Our fourth destination is the vibrant and diverse country of India. With its rich history, diverse landscapes, and mouth-watering cuisine, India offers a unique travel experience for budget-conscious adventurers. From the bustling streets of Mumbai to the tranquil backwaters of Kerala, India is a treasure trove of unforgettable experiences. Can you imagine exploring ancient temples or indulging in street food for less than $1? India makes it possible. Immerse yourself in the colorful culture, witness the majestic Taj Mahal, and participate in a traditional Indian cooking class to take a piece of your journey home with you. Last but not least, let's head to Nicaragua. This Central American paradise, with its pristine beaches, towering volcanoes, and lush rainforests, offers a Central American experience without the crowds. Can you picture yourself surfing on an uncrowded beach or exploring a volcanic island? Nicaragua might be the hidden gem you're looking for. Dive into the crystal-clear waters of the Corn Islands, hike through the lush cloud forests, and immerse yourself in the vibrant local culture. Nicaragua's warm hospitality and eco-friendly accommodations make it an ideal destination for the conscious traveler. Now that we've covered some amazing budget-friendly destinations, let's talk about a few practical tips to help you save even more while traveling. By following these tips, you can create unforgettable memories without breaking the bank. Opt for budget accommodations. Consider hostels, Airbnb, or even couchsurfing as alternatives to hotels. Not only will you save money, but you'll also have the chance to meet like-minded travelers and locals. Travel during off-peak seasons. By avoiding the high season, you can often find better deals on flights and accommodations. Plus, you'll experience your destination without the crowds. Use public transportation. Not only is it cheaper than renting a car or taking taxis, but it also offers a more authentic glimpse into local life. Cook your meals. Eating out can add up quickly. Visit local markets and cook your meals when possible to save money and immerse yourself in the local food culture. Look for free activities. Many cities have free walking tours, museums, and events. Do your research and make the most of what your destination has to offer without spending a dime. Keep in mind that planning ahead, researching your destination, and being flexible can also save you a lot of money and help you make the most of your adventure. So there you have it. 5 fantastic budget-friendly destinations and some practical tips to help you make the most of your adventures. Remember, traveling on a budget doesn't mean you have to compromise on the quality of your experience. With a little creativity and resourcefulness, you can have the trip of a lifetime without breaking the bank. If you enjoyed this video and found it helpful, please hit that like button and subscribe to our channel for more amazing personal finance content. Your support means the world to us and helps us continue creating valuable content for you. Thank you so much for watching, and don't forget to check out our other videos for more tips and advice on managing your finances and living your best life. We're always here to help you navigate the world of personal finance, so feel free to leave any questions or suggestions in the comment section below. Until next time, happy travels and see you in the next video. Check out our other videos for more tips.